Have you ever felt like you're just not good at something? Maybe you've said, I can't do math, or I'm just not creative. And these kinds of thoughts come from what's called a fixed mindset. In a fixed mindset, people believe that their abilities, intelligence, and talents are set in stone. They think you're either born smart or you're not. As a result, they avoid challenges, give up easily, and feel threatened by other people's success. Now let's compare this with a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. People with a growth mindset love challenges. They see failure as a chance to grow, not as a sign of weakness. Let's take an example. Imagine two students fail a math test. The first one thinks, I'm just not good at math, I'll never get better. That's a fixed mindset. The second one says, I didn't study the right way. I'll try a new method and ask for help. That's a growth mindset. The difference between these two mindsets can shape your future. With a fixed mindset, progress stops. With a growth mindset, there's always room to improve. Science also supports this. Our brains can form new connections and grow stronger with practice. This is called neuroplasticity. It proves that we're not stuck with the skills we're born with. We can change and grow at any age. So, how can you build a growth mindset? First, replace the word failing with learning. Every mistake is a step forward. Second, add the word yet to your thinking. Instead of saying, I can't do this, I say, I can't do this yet. Third, focus on effort, not just results. Praise yourself or others for working hard, trying new strategies, and not giving up. Finally, surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow and support your journey. In the end, the mindset you choose can shape your life. You're not limited by where you are today. With a growth mindset, your potential is limitless.